Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. We have another product of IKEA today, which is a jar. Basically, this is a nice and simple way to serve beverages at home or if you have any function at home. If you see here, the jar is made up of glass and the lid is made up of bamboo. It have a tap which is made up of stainless steel. The lid is made up of bamboo. It gives a stylish look to the jar. To raise the jar from the surface, you can buy the stand separately, which is sold separately in IKEA. You can easily add things like fruits or herbs to the jar as it gives a wide opening at the top. The price of this jar is around 1690 INR. When it comes to the measurement, the diameter of this jar is around 18 centimeter, the height is around 20 centimeter, and the capacity is 4 liter. For the best utilization of the jar, I would recommend to buy a jar stand as well along with it. They also have a bamboo jar stand. As you see here, it comes around $2.99. Somewhere it will be like $4 to $5 in USD. And the bamboo lid goes well with the bamboo stand as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Bye.